Start from the daily on Euro USD, and let's see how it turn out by end of the day. So as you can see, price has been respecting the bullishness from the beginning of the week, created a big engulfing candle from the previous order block, and now we are sitting at the engulfing candle again, an order block. Now let's take a look at 4-hour time frame. The reason I'm still bullish is because the 4-hour structure, you can see price has been respecting there ain't any market structure shift on the 4-hour. So if price move like this, then obviously I am bearish from the 4-hour after having that, but price not making that yet. Price is respecting the bullishness on the 4-hour as well. We are currently moving from a bullish order block. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute. On the M15 we do have the structure like this, but by the way, one thing to remember is that there haven't been taken any liquidity on the M15 yet. You can see the London has been moving sideways kinda, and yeah, that's pretty much it on the M15. All I want to see is a move like this, take liquidity and then market structure shift so that I can target the high. So that's the plan for today on Euro USD. Okay, so now let's take a look at gold on daily. As you can see, price create this candle with big wick. After that we got a big reversal, and the same thing happening in this one as well, where price created this big wick. And now yesterday, as I have said, we really did target that high, not the high but that level, and now we are looking forward to target the next one. If I take a look at the H4 time frame, on the H4 you can see clearly the targeting, the area which I want to target, and that is basically that bearish order block, which is I'm looking for the target in H4. And obviously price is respecting the bullishness in H4 as well, after having the market structure shift on this one while following by this one as well. So yeah, bullish on gold as well. Now let's take a look at M15. On M15, two things I need before making a decision. One is liquidity and the next one is market structure shift. And you can see on this one we do have both. We do have the liquidity and also the market structure shift, but not the way I want to see, because price has already made the move from which I might look for the execution.
So this is how it turned out yesterday. On yesterday, my plan was to buy on Euro USD, and I did so, but it wasn't the perfect setup. The setup that I would like to take, because the entry wasn't with market structure shift. It was just the sweep. I wouldn't say it was sweep. It was just an impulsive move, and a high time frame area and fair value gap inverted. So I did take the execution, cut the trade in the half of the risk, as you can see on the red line. Now if you take a look at the M5, then you can see the moment price has created this big engulfing and returned to the entry price, I move back my SL to 3 PD array formation, and that's how it went. So yeah, yesterday my bias was bullish, but market had different plans of it. It just created this sweep of liquidity and then shift the market structure below, then respected the fair value gap, but the problem is that I wasn't looking at the higher time frame storytelling. You can see on the higher time frame in H1 we do have this bearish market structure shift on the H1, and in 4-hour as well we do have couple of engulfing candle, bearish one at the 4-hour as well, and price really did came to that level. So yeah, it was the thing on Euro USD. Now if I take a look at ZAO USD, then you can simply see prices been ranging around that fair value gap from which I wanted to see a move from. So yeah, there wasn't any confirmation on ZAO USD, which is why I haven't taken anything. But so yesterday I might have two choice on the Euro USD. One is either wait because the price is not showing any sign of the market structure shift on the M15 toward bull side, or I could have just moved with the higher time frame story of bearishness in the market and what should I say, and capitalize on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for yesterday.